Now, after using the Pixel 4a for what feels like 4 to 5 months since release, is definitely the device that really has brought my confidence back in what Google are doing with their Pixel phones since the introduction of the A series with the Pixel 3a. And here are my top 5 things I really like about my Pixel 4a. Let's go. Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. First has got to be the overall design, and let me tell you, Google did some magic with this Pixel 4a. And it's not because the design is flashy or overly out there like you see on the crazy expensive phones. It's quite the opposite with what they've been able to make using what people would normally class as low-end materials. The use of this solid single piece of unibody polycarbonate plastic on the Pixel 4a with that soft touch matte black finish at the back feels so nice without a case. And then both the volume rocker and the power button are amongst the most clickiest and the most well-made buttons on a phone I've ever used, and they are so clicky and pressing them is so satisfying. Honestly, if any company wants a lesson on how to make using plastic feel equally as premium and solid as the more expensive phones on the market, then take a lesson from Google, because they have it down. Next is the display experience, and most phone manufacturers at this price point always end up settling with an LCD or TFT based display, which is just not enjoyable at all. And when it comes to the Pixel 4a, that's not the case. It's a nice compact 5.8 inch OLED display with a full high definition plus display at 1080p resolution, with a nice slim and near enough uniform bezels and borders all around, with that single hole punch at the top left. This makes using it one hand as a device so much easier, and it's such a refreshing experience from the usual big screen phones I've been accustomed to use on a daily basis. Next is having a physical hardware fingerprint scanner and a headphone port. And with how much companies over the years have tried so hard to kill the headphone port from phones, which still feels like a very strange, it feels like a strange decision, to see it here on the Pixel 4a is a relief and adds a level of value and peace of mind if and when you need to use wired audio in any situation with no dongles or adapters needed. And then also, as of this recording, man, with the current situation that we're in with what is happening with this global pandemic and needing a mask basically everywhere that we go, it's a no-brainer. And why having a physical hardware fingerprint scanner placed perfectly at the back of this phone is so much more reliable and convenient compared to even the newer generation in-display fingerprint scanners that you find on the high-end phones. Next is the camera experience, and boy oh boy, till this day, Pixels have some of the best photo output for still shots on any smartphone at any price point, and the Pixel 4a is no exception. And for the fact that you're able to consistently take color accurate pictures, but yet with that edgy contrasty look that is distinctive to Pixel cameras in photos, it just makes you want to keep taking photos every single time. The portrait mode on both the main and the selfie is just chef's kiss. Honestly, for the stills, point and shoot on a smartphone at any price point, especially at this mid-range arena that it sits in, the Pixel 4a is the phone to beat when it comes to the camera. And with the amount of camera comparisons, man, I've thrown in the arena with this Pixel 4a, trust me, I am confident enough to say that with my chest, no cap, no reach, no lies. Last but not the least, man, no surprise to anyone, it definitely has to be the pure stock Android experience directly from Google. And this isn't necessarily the feature set alone that you get that comes with it, but it's more for the fact that at this price point that the Pixel 4a comes, you are not just getting 3 years of the latest version of Android when it comes to updates, but you're getting it day one when they're available over the air, which can't be said for other phone makers. The Pixel 4a in this price category has no competition at all, and it takes the value of owning this device. It makes it so worth with that peace of mind that you're getting that long-term support that is unmatched on the Android space. And that is it for me. Those are my 5 favorite things that I like about the Pixel 4a. Do you own the Pixel 4a? What's your thoughts on it, man? Is it a phone that you've considered? And if you do have it, do you share the same things that I'm sharing about the things that I like about the Pixel 4a? That is it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.